Hey everyone, it is Sparkle and I'm back with a Dollar Tree haul. Just a small haul, nothing major, but I did want to share a few home essential items that I picked up while I was at Dollar Tree. I haven't been in a while. It's been a long time since I've been to Dollar Tree, but you guys already know that Dollar Tree is no longer $1. You remember everything in the store used to be $1. I think some things still are $1, but right now it is $1.25. Before I was saying it was $1.10, but it's $1.25, y'all. So yeah, I did pick up some things, and that's just what I'm gonna share. So let's just go through this bag first. I got some straws, 2 packs of straws. I missed when these were $1, but they're now $1.25. And you know, it's still a good deal because you get 150 in each one. So, y'all, I missed when it was $1. And also, I picked up some shower caps. These are a pack of 3. I think these were $1.25. I think so, but I did pick up 3. It's like the bonnets. Yeah, so you get 3 in each one. So I did get 3 of those. We got some batteries. Got the Panasonic. Got these ones. Because I do have some LED puck lights, and they take the AAA batteries. And then I got these ones, the Panasonic, the AA for under my cabinets. And I picked up this brush. This is a veggie brush to clean your vegetables with. So I got that. And I did pick up these LED tea lights. So I bought these before. So, and I know those were $1.25. And in this bag, I got some alkaline water. Got the alkaline water. So I know they sell this because I used to buy it at Publix. So I was surprised when I saw it at Dollar Tree. But yeah, these are $1.25. And I picked up some awesome tub and shower cleaner. So I like to use Awesome cleaning products. I think those are really good too. And this is by Awesome, the bathroom and shower cleaner. Got that. And they didn't have any Pine Sol, so I got the Pine Glo. So the Pine Glo works just as good. Well, not just as good, but it works. It gets the job done. So this is antibacterial. So I like this. Love that when I can't, you know, when I can't get the Pine Sol. Fabuloso. Love that. Love the lavender scent. It's $1.25. And I got the Pine Allen. This is the all-purpose cleaner. Okay. So this smells really good too. It's the Floral Delight. Love that. Now this is something new I have not tried. I did pick up 2 of these. So y'all let me know in the comments if you have used this for your dishes. So this is the Palmolive Spray Away. Okay, this was $1.25. So I said, let me try this. Here it is. Guys, look at that. So it's for your dishes. So like I said, I haven't used this. I've never used it. So I am gonna try it, but yeah, this is what I found. This is something new for me. Yeah, at Dollar Tree. So I said, let me get 2 of them and see what it does. I'll probably give one of them to my mom and see if she likes it too. But yeah, so I just thought I would share this small haul with y'all, and that is it. And I will see y'all in the next video. Thank you for watching.